So today was my lucky day. I came over to say hello to Robert.
Yeah.
And first he gives me this coconut. And I drink the milk. And then he says, "You want to eat?" And I say, "Yeah, man."
Okay.
And he said, "Okay, we have tuba fish."
You use pepper?
Yeah, it's fine, but I think I try it just like this. Let me see what's happening here, man. And he was cooking this, which is tuba, cassava, breadfruit, onion, and
cocoa.
and coconut. And this man.
You want a piece of the pepper?
Sure. I mean, but how? I don't want to take all of it, but I think this man is the best cook in Lafe, huh? What do you think?
No, I don't know. Because we have some more cook.
Yeah.
What is man cook?
Okay. So who cooks better, the man or the woman?
Well, I don't respect any in cooking line. You just put the stuff and move away. And when I call you, then you come. I'll give you a piece of pepper in your plate.
Okay.
Okay?
Here, it's over here, man. Here. All right. Thank you, Robert.
Nothing, my brother.
Okay.